Hey guys, welcome back to the Beauticianchic. You guys should know my name. My name is Bella. If you're an OG, you know my name is Bella. Today's my birthday, guys. I'm 19. So don't forget to wish me happy birthday in the comment section down below. So love you guys.
Wish Bella happy birthday. I know you guys miss Bella.
You guys definitely missed Bella.
Of course.
They're probably like, where's Bella? Where's Bella? He hasn't been here in a while.
It's quarantine.
It's quarantine, guys. That's why I haven't been here. I'm always laughing with my friends in it, so why will I be not smiling? I don't understand.
Well, maybe he doesn't know what to say. He just wants to say something. So what's happening with school now, Bella?
Oh, I'm still going in September. It's just that I'm going to be doing it online. Yeah, but I'm going in for placement. 'Cause I'm doing healthcare, so I have to be going in for placement. But lectures are going to be all online. I'm not really happy about that though, because I already bought stuff.
Wow.
It's going to be now online.
So now online. For how long though?
Until like October, maybe next year, I imagine.
Wow.
Because remember, university is going to be full of all these international students, like, you don't know where they came from. You don't know. And they all came from like different parts of the world. So, yeah. So I don't know.
The edge is out.
Because my edges after 6 years. Quarantine really been my edges. His own personal time to himself.
Yeah.
Even my brother actually really cute now.
So, Michael is just
on his own.
Clock when school finishes. School is at home. When the school finishes, then Michael will stay in his room. I'm gonna post it next week. Because you're like, oh, do my If you feel so, if you tell her braid your hair every now and then, you still want to braid your hair.
You have to do your hair, yeah.
Even though you're not going anywhere.
Yeah, they're always together.
They kind of look alike though. I'm a shareholder.
Really?
Yep, she's getting a lot.
He's very like blunt. Yeah, he's blunt.
I said once.
The person just jazzing you up there.
She already like the comment. She did not tell me.
I was like, come and find me. So look, I'm even surprised it got this slick. When actually hair.
No, I don't think
God.
Use?
Yeah.
Speaking of hair removal.
Who uses hair remover cream?
Oh, don't talk about the hair removal cream.
What happened?
I'm confused. No, she's mocking me for the entire week.
Oh dear.
Oh, no, never again.
Yes, finally.
I just stopped. It's from Superdrug. Maybe like Primark, all the cheap ones.
Wow.
I'm saving up.
This doesn't happen to me.
I started doing makeup. I'm doing it for now 4 years now, but I wasn't doing it seriously. I was doing it more like for fun on my face and other people. But I was doing it seriously maybe like when I was like 17, 16. Yeah, so I'm making money from it.
So the people pay when did people start paying you?
Immediately.
Immediately?
Yeah.
But not like good money though.
Like £20.
Just food money. Like they're just dashing you.
Yeah. But I wasn't doing it for free because I invested so much in my product. I just thought, why should I just do it?
So at 16 people start paying you?
Yeah.
Wow.
They were paying. I was even surprised. I was thinking they're not going to be paying because it wasn't good. Like, it wasn't like nice.
Wow.
But, and I still
both of us are charging them cheap.
Yeah, because I was only young. I didn't even know how much people could charge. I didn't know until I found out. I said, oh wow. But I practice on my models. And the scores that I get from that, I don't transfer it to the clients. So I'll do free for models, but I'll charge people for actual events.
Of course, because you need a portfolio. So it's a big picture to show people that, oh.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
What are you doing outside?
I was on the food.
Yeah, it's nice.
I'm liking it.
I'm looking.
Your barrel finding it out.
You're yourself.
Your barrel.
Yeah.
I don't think any of them knows. Anyway, do they even know? If they know, they won't be teaching. So we did something.
I don't even know about facts. Like I don't even know about facts. I didn't know about
People that have big wide eyes now, I can even do the under. But now I can't smoke under too much because your eyes gonna just be.
Yeah, I've got really small eyes.
People that have balls.
So marriages, you can't be perfect in a marriage.
Your whole generation that's going to be very hard.
I know.
Isn't it?
I'm scared. Marriage is going to be hard.
Marriage is going to be
I think it's getting harder every day, isn't it? Oh, I was like, people like you're talking for yourself.
Yeah, I was in the back, I was doing my own work. Oh, I was so annoyed. I was thinking, girl, you could ask me for permission before you go and see me like that. My hair was not even done. I was looking like a hot mess. Oh, so embarrassing. I opened it in end of secondary school, and people would just follow. I was thinking, oh, well, people actually followed my page.
So which did you open first, Instagram or Facebook?
Instagram. I never use Facebook.
But why though?
It's for aunties.
No.
My mom used that app as if it's like her Instagram. I'm thinking, mom, it's not even true what they post on that Snap, Facebook. But I made a Facebook page actually like 2 years, like last year, and I got customers from the customers.
Facebook is good, you know.
Yeah, I got it from my
because you need
customers.
those aunties, Bella.
And they pay well, you know.
Thank you, better than young people. Young people, they don't want to spend money. Aunties pay.
Yeah, even my clients, the
Young people can do their makeup. Look at your friend, her makeup is popping. She's the one that's going to pay for bill for makeup. You get? Only when she wants a different look. You get? Because you know when somebody tells you.
They pay and they want to bet with their friends to come and what to do with them. So my clients,
they'll tell a friend to tell a friend.
And they won't give me food to even go. So when I got
Bella.
No,
Bella, so it's a food then?
Bella, they treat me well.
You say that Bella, you say I eat a lot, but then you're going to do makeup, you're taking food. Come on now. Oh.
No, because obviously I'm very bubbly and they like my personality, so they want to just be nice and maybe tip me
and give you food.
And they give me takeaway jollof rice.
Oh God, Bella, you're there for the food.
No, for the it's not true.
But I prefer the aunties because the auntie gives her takeaway. Because obviously it's a party day.
Yeah, and
right,
they not give me the malt and everything to add to. Oh,
you see, because it's party.
They really feed me well, you know. I never stop when I go to the parties for my makeup. I never stop. No.
But when you go to the young people house, just like, come in, take a seat. They don't even know what they want in life.
That's true.
No, I makeup, man. It looks good. Something I've not done for you before. I
never really just look at myself in the mirror. I never ever use blue on my skin.
Yeah, and I've never done it on you as well.
I always doing nude or pink. Yeah, I remember.
Ooh, close it and listen. Yep, pink is nice. Yep.
But you England though, England.
Yeah, I used to use England, but this MAC, you know why I like it? You can smudge it down. And it's not that watery. I can't believe I did not do banana powder. My makeup is so looking good.
The lens?
No. The camera and lens, I changed everything.
Oh.
So this is Mark 4. You know we're using Mark.
Yeah, I think you should just leave it. I think it looks like really like nice and like the contour will even look.
Yeah.
Like yeah.
Now like this is what you should do.
So you always do. Thinking even if I still it was just painful to me.
I can't just
give these people.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. All these actual modeling.
Like doing.
All those videos. And they wear some lingerie, I'm thinking, God forbid.
To actually learn how to blend.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Last time, Bella was smart. I feel like cutting Bella's neck. Like, or like if I
Okay, he thought that was Nigerian. I was like, what do you mean? He thought it was from all them East Africa. I just said, no, I'm from Nigeria. He thought. And people were cancelling. They didn't want to model anymore. And bear in mind, I was still growing as well, so people didn't want to come back. Because people don't usually come to people that are still growing. They want to go to people that have already made it to get more, what's the words?
maybe awareness.
Yeah, awareness. And me, I'm still on like 100 subscribers. So who's going to watch some videos, 100 subscribers? So, yeah, so I stopped last month. Okay guys, that's the finished look. Like I said before, it's my birthday, so don't forget to wish me happy birthday. My channel will be down below though, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and Auntie Chi's channel as well, the Beauticianchic. So like, comment and subscribe guys. Blow up this video, make sure to get to like at least 10 million views. Just blow it up guys. So bye guys.